Hello everybody, Robert Condon here. Today we're going to quickly go over the COVID-19 Addendum to the PSA. The PSA is right above it, and right above it is the LOI, and everything is coordinated, meaning, for example, let's change the closing date, 35 days, and we immediately get a message that there's one difference from the PSA. So we go down to the PSA, yeah, sure enough, it is. So let's just extend that for now, just to get rid of the messages. Now, after the first entry in the addendum, let's add 5 days to the closing date. All the days numbers and all the dates entered previously are grayed out as a reminder that they cannot be changed. Okay? So, we have 5 days there. Let's call this Monday and 5 more, 11, 27. Okay, 27 November. We can go a little bit further. Let's say we go 12/1. Okay, so now here we're going to go 7 days. 21 December. By the way, any errors here as well, white out the next item. And, oh my, just a brief reminder. Let me clear this real quick. Let's go to the PSA. Any errors in the major dates will white out everything and let you know in all the documents. Okay, and we'll go through the documents here very briefly in a little bit. And of course, your critical dates have been whited out. Some of them have. So that can't happen. So we'll just go back to the date we have. By the same token, any mistake here will white out everything again. And following the same path, if you will, any errors in the closing dates will white out. So no, you cannot progress. Okay, so if we move this, let's see. Our closing date is 17 December. Let's add 5 days, and then we have the 23rd of December. And sure enough, we have the 23rd of December. So everything is coordinated. So let's add 2 days here, 11/25. That tells us 2 days when you put in the date on this side. So let's put in the date as well here. And let's say, well, what happens if we put in the same date? Since the title review period and the cure period are related, we're going to get, well, right there, earlier date. Wait a minute. 25/12/7, the same date. So we go 12/10. Okay, we expired on 10 December. Here let's add 6 days, and here let's add 21. Let's see if it goes. Nope. Maximum 9. By the way, when you put in numbers here, your instructions here tell you that the number can be less because of the weekends. So let's try 11. Nope. Let's try 10. Nope, it was 9. Okay, just went, whoa, 9. There we go. So we have the closing date, inspection period, and the financing period with days. How many days? And that difference is shown here. The closing date has how many days, and how many days, and the title review and cure period do not. So if we go back and change that, we have 2 days, so we delete this, and we put in 2 days, and we have 6 days here, we have 3 days here. Of course, it changed when we changed the title review period. We delete that and we add a 3, and then we go to the addendum, and now they all say how many days we have. So there's the difference. And once you're finished, just like with all the other documents, we have the templates. Wait a minute. We have the templates. Okay, so in the templates, we have the templates for all 7 documents that you can print out. But I already have opened the COVID template. So for COVID, let's go back to here. We just say copy to paste, and then it tells us paste onto the COVID template, which we happen to have open, and we just come here and say paste. And the minute it finishes pasting, we don't even look at it. We go to view, we go to macros, view macros, and we ask it to run. That's the macros formatting it. Whatever has to be bold and underlined and everything else. Okay? Once it's finished formatting, we save it as something else. We never save the templates. Okay? So just for ease, let's save it in the same folder and call it something else. COVID template, let's call it COVID template demo. And we change it from a macro enabled document to just a Word document. You don't want to be sending macros enabled legal document. It's going to ask you if you want to save it without macros. You say yes. Okay, then we close it. And then we say finish here. We go back to our templates. Let's open up templates again. And let's open up demo. And this is the document we just created. So once it wakes up, we have the document ready to be signed, dated, sent, faxed, whatever. It's a Word document and it's ready to go. So let's close that one off. Let's go back to the demo. Then we go back to SF dates. And of course, that about copy and paste. If we have an error here, the addendum will let us know before we print, right? Pretty much the same way as in the PSA. If we have, well, let's delete COVID real quick. You delete COVID, clear COVID, and we say, okay, this is going to be an error. Okay. So when the error is on the dates entered in this column, we still get the lines. That's an indication that something's wrong up there. And it's not going to tell you because, well, it doesn't play right now. And that's pretty much it. So the idea is y'all send me a DM with your email address. I'll send you this that you can use for 10 days. Just because you're a member of this group with a great name. A lot of positivity in this name. I really like it. So y'all have 10 days to create your documents, print them, send them to an attorney. I don't think your attorney would like it, but of course send it to your attorney as well. And we'll go from there. Thank you very much.